Oh, toaster ovens are great for sandwiches. Do you like a Reuben sandwich? I have 4 slices of rye bread here. Spreading the slices with some stone ground mustard. Now each has a slice of Swiss cheese, which I folded in half to fit the bread. I would usually use Russian dressing, but in this case I'm using Thousand Island. I'm layering with corned beef, which I have folded to fit the bread. A little sauerkraut on each. Freshly ground pepper. The slices go on the rack of the toaster oven. And I'm going to do 1 toast cycle. The advantage is that both elements on top and bottom of the toaster oven are working. So both sides of the sandwich get cooked. So I'm going to do another toast cycle. It'll probably take 3 or 4 to complete this. That was 3 toast cycles. These are done to my liking. The cheese is beautifully melted. Everything smells really good. You can serve these as an open-faced sandwich, or you can put them together, which is what I'm going to do. Together or separate, this is one wonderful sandwich. A toaster oven makes making a lovely sandwich like this so very easy. And this is one of the over 250 really great recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy